She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what is...
Welcome to the channel. I'm Shawna. Thanks for checking this video out. Pack with me for Jamaica, a quick business trip. I will be there for a week or so doing business, also visiting family members. I have a couple upcoming trips to go into different countries and a couple series for you guys, so please ensure to subscribe, like this video, and turn your bell notification on so you don't miss any of my upcoming travel vlogs, series, day in the life, lifestyle, you name it. I got a couple content for you guys. I'm sitting here for the longest trying to figure out how I'm going to get all these clothing, shoe, and tool right here in these two suitcases and a carry-on, knowing that I'm working with 50 pounds. I'm also packing a barrel to Jamaica when I come back, so we have that to do as well. Pack with me, pack a barrel. I have done it last year and I didn't do a good job when I was packing my barrel and shipped to Jamaica. One of my soap burst. So this time around I'm trying to, taking my time and be more aware of how to pack a barrel. So if you know how to pack a barrel, any tips you have, please leave it down below, because I will be packing a barrel very soon. Excited to get out of this cold ass weather in New Jersey. It's been bleaky for the past 3 days, okay? There hasn't been any sunshine. So whenever I get a chance to go to Jamaica to enjoy the warm weather and the food, I am down for it. So once again, I'll be there for the next week or so, so ensure to subscribe, like this video, and a couple stuff on the floor right here, some curtains for my mom. Don't know what's wrong with my mom, but she always wants curtains and sheets, but I'm gonna spoil her. But yeah, I am figuring out how I'm going to get all this stuff in just these two suitcases right here. So let's get packing. My cousin is having a baby girl, right? Isn't this one of the cutest outfits? I am getting baby fever right now. It's super cute. I will pair this with a nice plain white sneakers. I love it. There's another one right here. I have a ton of baby stuff for her, but she will get those in the barrel. I'm just taking a few items in my suitcase. Valentine's Day is coming up, so a cute Valentine's Day outfit, super light and cute for the weather in Jamaica. Another one right here. Mommy love bug, cute. I got so many stuff for her, but she just have to wait until the barrel gets there because I can carry oh so much, okay? But these are super cute. Love it. It's another little small leggings right here. Loving it. I'm getting baby fever. Let's start off with my suitcase. I got this suitcase set from Sam's Club last October when I was going to Africa. I got these for $185. Super cute. Love them. Love the colors. I'm taking these two with me along with this bag right here. What I'm taking with me to Jamaica, these are my jeans right here, my belt, a couple tops, two-piece set over here from Fashion Nova jeans and stuff. Over here I have around 3 to 4 outfits going for brunch or dinner with like family members and stuff. I have 2 towels over here. This bag right here is all my Andes swimwear and my top. I have a sleep top right here, another pair of pants right here. Love this swimwear. Got this from Swim Icon a couple months ago. My washcloth is right here. My MCM bag, this would be my everyday errands bag in Jamaica, also with my MCM flip-flop, my shades over here. For fragrance, I'm taking my Gucci perfume along with my Ariana lotion, roll-on, some sunscreen. I'm also planning on taking a couple swim lessons at YMCM in Jamaica, so we'll see how that goes. My curling iron for my wigs, another MCM bag. Love this little purse right here. Comes with a strap for brunch or dinner. Super cute. A Tory Burch bag right here. These are for my cousin baby. Over here I have 2 wigs. This wig right here is for my mom. This is a frontal wig. When I'm coming back, I am going to install this wig. Super affordable in Jamaica to install wigs. Wish I had that service here, but unfortunately no. Over here I have my Gucci hat, I think. Yeah, over here I have my Gucci hat, my Gucci sneakers and slippers right here. I'm also taking with me my 2 Bridget slippers. This Bridget right here I have for the past 8 years. Super old, ugly and muggly, but comfy. My makeup bag, my speaker for music, my 360 vlogging camera, my Beats headset, 2 extra battery for the camera I'm using right now, my tripod, my laptop and my Jamaican phone, my overseas phone is right here. This is pretty much everything I'm taking with me. Let's get to the fun part. Okay, I am going to start with this suitcase right here. The biggest one of all. I'm going to start with my shoes, my bags, and tool right here, along with my jeans and my curtains. I'm going to put those in this suitcase right here. So I'm starting off with this tool for a family member. My flight leave tomorrow, so I need to pack this right now to see if I have everything or if I need an additional bag. So I'm going to pack my jeans and my shoes at the bottom. These are my Bridgets. Love them, comfy, but I need to get a new pair of the cutaway Bridget. I need to get myself a new pair.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. But you keep running away. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you.
I'm packed and ready to go. The next time you guys see me, I will be in Kingston, Jamaica. Can't wait. My flight lands tomorrow morning at 2:30 a.m. in Norman Manley Airport. So I'm excited. I had an appointment today to get my nails soaked off and get a fresh set, but I'm like, wait a minute, I'm going to Jamaica in a couple hours, right? Why not wait until I get there and I get a proper fresh set and a pedicure, more for my buck in Jamaica. So when I go to Jamaica tomorrow, I am going to get all dolled up the first thing in the morning. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I see you guys when I'm in Kingston.